This is a love reading for you, Capricorn, for July August. In this reading, I'm going to do is a heart shape spread for you and your love interest, whether it is your spouse or maybe it is your ex or your crush or your boyfriend, girlfriend, or whoever you have any love connection with. So you should note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate as it is with all Capricorn, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So who are you two in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you both bring? How do you both see each other? What is the hope or fear you both have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the love reading? So let us see, Capricorn, how's the guidance for the two of you. So as I'm looking at these cards, one I'm seeing is Capricorn. You feel that despite doing everything for the other person or the loved one, you don't get as much back in the relationship. If you see, the both of you are looking in opposite directions. You both are not looking at each other. And then you are also head down. So it's almost like you both believe that relationships do not progress the way they initially look, and there is a lot that is keeping you too busy, because you seem to be busy with something and your partner is busy with something. So I'm seeing here is the two of you are not really paying attention or doing a lot for each other. You both have your own thing going. So when this guidance is in the reverse, it's also telling me, Capricorn, some of you are trying to get pregnant or raise a family and you're finding it difficult, or for whatever reason you're not able to get pregnant. I'm just seeing a certain energy which is blocked. When I look at your partner, I'm just seeing is someone who is waiting for money situation to improve, or was about to get a certain money flow, and either it is not coming or it is coming late. So it is also possible some of you needed treatment for fertility. You need to take some kind of a treatment to get pregnant, and then the money is running short or money is not matching up to the kind of treatment that is needed. So this is how I am seeing the cards here. You both are working on the relationship, and when I see these cards, it's telling me you've been with each other for quite some time. This is not a new relationship. This is not a relationship where you have just met and then things are unfolding. You've both been together for quite some time. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? There is a lot you want to do with your career, Capricorn, and it's not necessarily related to finding success or finding great, reaching a certain big position. It is about trying out a lot of things. So some of you, your career is taking a break, or career is also on a halt because of your personal journey or your journey to raise a family or to take some treatment related to getting pregnant or some such thing. I am seeing that your work is taking a certain halt, or or is not going as well as or as smooth as it should go. So some of you feel that there is a lot you can try your hand on, and there is a lot you want to do, and you just want to try the waters with what all that you can do and make it go very right. Now, what is the strength or challenges your partner is working with? Your partner is someone who brings a lot of silence in the relationship. It is quite possible, even when you keep saying 10 things, 20 things, 30 things, 40 things, your partner doesn't say even one thing. He or she may be exceptionally quiet and likes to just keep things to himself or herself. I'm also seeing is your partner doesn't keep much company. He or she likes to just be at work, do what needs to be done, and then that's it. Your partner doesn't really mingle with many people, doesn't have a great or a very big social line of people to hang out with. He or she is a very quiet person and doesn't have much to say. He or she is a person with very few words. Now, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who's capable of a bad fight, but then chooses to not fight. So maybe it has happened in the past that when you both had a fight, your partner did, or at one point did, had a very bad or loud outburst, and then after that he or she never really fought with you or never really had an outburst after that. So I'm just saying that you do see your partner as capable of fighting or speaking a lot of things, but then he or she chooses to keep quiet, doesn't fight that much. So it's a good energy in a way that your partner will choose peace or quiet over, settling things the way as right, or this is wrong, or this is how it should be. So quite a mature energy where your partner doesn't like to fight. Maybe he or she will have that rare outburst once in a while. So how does your partner see you? Your partner sees you as someone who lands up saying too much, and then that is a problem for you. He or she feels that you could speak slow when you talk to people, or you could afford to not make promises to people about certain things, because then it's very difficult to keep up with these promises. So your partner believes that sometimes you are going too fast for your own good, and you're saying things which you may not be able to keep up with. So you have taken a hit, Capricorn, lot of times by just saying something and then realizing that it was just too ambitious to have said it, or you said it out of empathy, and then now you can't deliver or deal on it. So your partner believes that you could choose to not say so many words, or say less, or speak softly, or go slow. Now, what is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future with each other? About the future, you believe, Capricorn, that it is a journey which will be undertaken and it will unfold the way it will unfold. So you're looking forward to the adventure. You're okay what will come along the way, and you're willing to just deal with it. So you're not keeping very high hopes or expectations of how the things may work out with the partner or not, and you're looking forward to dealing with how things will show up as and how in the coming years. Your partner, on the other hand, is saying that in the future, even if you both are together and things are not working out, he or she will take the high road. but will like to be with you. You see, here your partner feels very controlled in a very, very difficult situation, and this is the energy about the future. But then your partner does see you with him or her, and you both are naked. So your partner is looking for a future with lot of intimacy and romance, and he or she is willing to put up with whatever difficulties that may show up. So your partner does believe there will be lot of difficulties that will show up. Why your partner feels like this, I don't know, but he or she is willing to make it work for the future because he or she is so romantically involved with you or so attracted to you. So very good cards. You both are very practical and taking things as they come. You don't have very high hopes or expectations with each other. Now what is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? The energy in the past I am seeing is lot of your hopes and dreams did not work out, Capricorn. Emotionally, your ex let you down, or person you were having a crush on or wishing for a situation to work out it did not happen. So lot of your hopes and dreams did not work out in the past, Capricorn, and it's quite possible that you were left keeping holding on to a certain promise, and then your partner broke up with you much later, or never broke up with you, so I'm seeing being left very high and dry and emotionally bereft in the past. In the past your partner is looking like did want to get married and then did not find someone good enough. So you both had a very rough past with your ex. I'm seeing your partner did want to marry his or her ex, and then it did not work out. Somehow the marriage did not work out, or they just couldn't get married. So you both come from an energy of having dealt with people who took you almost to the altar and then just said no, or left you high and dry. So, or one of you dated for a very long time with your ex or with your previous partner, and then it just did not work out. So raising a family is so important for the two of you. Being together is so important for the two of you. Now let us see how's overall the guidance from the love reading. You both have strong personalities, and I'm seeing is you both are working on building something, and somehow money is not matching up. So money is a concern for the two of you in some way, and there is something you both are trying to build or create together, and money is just creating problems or is not matching up. So when this is the guidance, it is also about working all by yourself. So it is quite possible money is a problem because you both are working individually or not asking people. Maybe you could ask in the community, you could ask for some donations. I don't know what you could do, but looks like you need some money urgently, and it's looking like for some treatment for you, Capricorn. And you could look forward to raising money in some way. So this is how the reading is for you, Capricorn, you and your love interest.